What if you could crochet a whole meadow of clovers? Delicate, magical, and totally wearable. This shrug starts as a single thread, but row by row it blooms into something that you're gonna wanna wear every single day. Let me introduce you to the Clover Meadow shrug. Between sturdy stones and tiny pebbles, a fragile little pop of color dares to show its face to the sky. A tiny shoot that will eventually become a gorgeous flower, seen only by those who have the heart to notice how something so beautiful and so alive came from something that seemed lifeless. Today, I'm so excited to share our newest pattern by Warda, a design born from that idea. This design is now available for you at expressionfiberarts.com. While you're there, go ahead and sign up for email and for text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. And make sure you stay tuned to the end because I have a beautiful giveaway for you. This design reminds me of a story. Recently, Tim and I took a trip back to Alaska and we were driving to dinner and we saw this whole beautiful field of purple flowers. It completely took our breath away, and so we made a mental note to come back and check it out on the way home. On our way home, we stopped, we parked the car, and we walked out into the middle of this beautiful field, and it really felt just like a slice of heaven. The sun was still high in the sky at 8 p.m. The air was crisp and clean, and there was a gentle breeze swaying across the field, and there we stood in this amazing field of Alaskan fireweed. It was so amazing. And we saw this little tiny hill out in the center, so we scampered over there and went up to the top so that we could see all around. And we just stood there speechless, taking in the beauty. It was such a captivating, awe-inspiring moment that we could have so easily missed if we hadn't been paying attention. So I'm so grateful that we noticed it. This design, which was inspired by fields of flowers, is so delicate and light and airy, and it's just so darn cute, and it is so fun to crochet. For example, when you start each row on this pattern, you're going to begin with a stacked double single crochet. To work a stacked double single crochet, you're going to start by inserting your hook into the indicated stitch. Go ahead and pull up a loop. Basically, you're going to work a single crochet. So you have your first little single crochet, then you're going to chain one. Then find these little bars here that are in the front, and you're going to slip your hook into those. And basically, we're working another single crochet into those. Go ahead and finish off your single crochet. And we're going to do that one more time. Chain one, find these two front bars from your previous single crochet, insert your hook into those, and work a single crochet. And there you have a beautiful little stacked double single crochet, so it just really starts your rows off really nicely. This stitch gives a nice clean edge to your project rather than that little loopy, gappy look you can get when you start with a chain. You'll also find whimsical little knot stitches throughout the pattern, which open up into the distinct shape of these beautiful little 4-leaf clovers. And they do make up the body of the shawl, giving it that airy, lightweight feel. To work that beautiful little knot stitch that you're gonna see in the pattern, you pull up a little bit of a loop and just kind of pinch it to secure it. Go ahead and grab your yarn and pull through the loop. And you've made sort of a little teardrop shape there. Go ahead and insert your hook into that little teardrop and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull through two, and that will secure it so you have this beautiful little shape here. Along the edges, you're also going to find these beautiful little puff stitches, which not only are super fun, but they give a little bit of structure to the neckline. To work a puff stitch, these are super fun. You're going to start with a yarn over and insert your hook into the indicated stitch. Go ahead and draw up a loop to the height of a double crochet. And you're going to do that 5 times. Yarn over, insert into the indicated stitch, pull up a loop, pull it up to the right height. Yarn over, pull up a loop, that's 3. Yarn over, pull up a loop, that's 4. One more time, yarn over, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. And when you have 11 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 11 loops, and then finish off with a chain one. And there's your cute little puff stitch. And you're going to find these adorable little cluster stitches, which are just so cute hanging off the bottom of your piece. They're fun, they're whimsical, and they really set the design off. To work a cluster, go ahead and start with the yarn over and insert your hook into the indicated stitch and pull up a loop to the height of a double crochet. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. And we're going to do that 3 times total. There's once. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch. Pull up a loop to the height of a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, insert into the indicated stitch. Grab your yarn and pull it through. Go ahead and pull up your loop to the height of a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. And when you have 4 loops on your hook, go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. And there's your little cluster. So all of those gorgeous stitches combine to make this stunning wearable piece. And what I love about this shrug is it offers multiple sizes and it has plenty of positive ease, so it drapes effortlessly. And this stunning design is a rectangular shape, so it is super duper easy to adjust the width or the length so that your finished project fits you perfectly. You can also choose for an open, airy type of sleeve like we have here, or you can cinch it up for more of a balloon bracelet style sleeve. Both options are super cute. We chose to make this beautiful shrug in our limited edition Expression Fiber Arts Luminous Tweed Fingering. I love this base so much. This color is called Starlight Saga. All of the colors are book inspired, which just makes me so happy. And this one is a beautiful medium blue that looks like a night sky splashed with little stars. It's so soft to the touch, it wears really well, and it just gives such a snuggly, cozy feel to all of your project. I am giving away 4 skeins of this beautiful Starlight Saga, which is enough to make any of the sizes. So if you would love to enter, just make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment the word Clover below. And as I mentioned, you can get both the pattern and the yarn over at expressionfiberarts.com. When you make and wear this shrug, I really hope that you resonate with that story behind it, that you remember that tiny little shoot that against all odds broke through the stones and transformed into something full of beauty and grace. Have a wonderful time, my beautiful friend, crocheting your own meadow of flowers. Grab your yarn, settle into your favorite chair, and let's crochet something magical together. Also, if you do love to knit, you can check out our beautiful lace wing shrug. It is very similar to this design. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you next week with another beautiful design. Bye!